Hi Capricorn, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a money and work related reading for you. Some of you reached out and requested me for one, so I thought, yes, why not? You see, Capricorn, love and money are two energies, right? We can either attract them or we can block them. So let's see how tarot can help us attract more money and better work into our life this month, since we're all, I think, going through a rather tough time with all this COVID and money is tight. So I thought maybe this can be a bit helpful to all of us. Also know these are collective, general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? And leave the rest. Also, big thank you to all my subscribers. As you can see, this channel is barely 3 months old, but is thriving with all your love and your lovely messages that you send. I'm very, very grateful to you. Thank you so much. And also, Capricorn, if you're new here, do subscribe, join our little channel, our little Omkara family. We meet here weekly for love readings, monthlies, bi-monthlies, and now even money and work, right? So we welcome you in. So the first card I have for you here, Capricorn, in your current position is the Five of Cups. Now, something that you're a little sad about, you like kind of looking a bit depressed to me. Yeah, so looking at all the happy times that you had in the past, you totally concentrated on how things were in the past, how good things were in the past, and maybe how these 3 cups which you were rejoicing with, right, Capricorn, have spilled to the ground at the moment. And the whole point here is, Capricorn, you are concentrating too much on the past. You're so concentrated on everything that spilled to the ground, you're not turning around to see in the future you have these 2 full cups waiting for you. There are better things coming in the future, Capricorn, but you are right now too much in your head thinking about all the wonderful times that maybe were there in the past. You seem really irritated. You seem really irritated and angry as well to me, but wishing somehow that somewhere there would be some kind of balance restored to your life. But Capricorn, if you're going to do it in this mode of being sad and depressed and angry, it's a little difficult to bring things back into balance, right? So try and keep a positive mindset if you can. Let's see what happened in the past, recent past, to make you this way. The Five of Pentacles. No wonder. You either got, you had a loss in finances recently. Capricorn, look at these 2 people. Five of Pentacles is a card of feeling left out in the cold, feeling abandoned. Look at these 2 people, they're on the road, right? Cold and hungry, while other people are maybe have fireplaces in their home. So you felt something happened recently which made you feel maybe there was money was tight, maybe you got laid off your job, maybe your business is not doing too well, and because of this reason, now you are currently a bit sad and a bit depressed, and actually not a bit but quite a bit. So you are concentrating totally on what has fallen, what has not worked out. A card for the Five of Pentacles, Spirit. What happened to make Capricorn feel this way? Yeah, you were struggling till the end, right? You did not take no for an answer. You fought each and every battle that came your way, and even though you fought till the very end, Capricorn, I think something didn't work out here. And even though there was absolutely zero complaint towards you, because you tried your very best, okay? Here's a man who's bandaged, come from the war, but still standing with his last wand to say, I'm going to keep at it till the very end, till I can, right? But even though you tried your best, something didn't work out here. And now you're in regret and pretty angry as well. Let's see what's coming up for you. 4 of Cups, okay? Capricorn, I still see you in the month of August, staying a bit wrapped up in your past memories. This is a 6 of Cups in reverse, which means very nostalgic memories from the past. You're so concentrating right now on the past that people see you as a bit, depressed and sad. And even though people are trying to come towards you with some happy news or offers or trying to make you feel better, You're just not accepting anything and you're kind of feeling bad about things because all your concentration in the month of August is also totally concentrated on the past. So let's take one more card here. Capricorn, you're trying to really, you're very silent right now. You're not really talking to too many people. And you feel you got tricked in the past and things didn't work out. And much as you're trying to, gather some insight or spiritual knowledge or whatever, nothing is clear to you right now. You don't know how to manifest, what you had in the past into your future or even into your present right now. So let's see how we can change that, Capricorn. Let's see here. What are you holding on to? Yes, Capricorn. I'm so sorry to say it's your fault, right? You're holding on to all this devilish energy. This anger, regret, sorrow, grief are all, energies connected to the devil energy. Till you're going to stay stuck here, look at how these two people are chained, right, to the devil. So if you are going to stay in this place of regret and anger, which we saw here you are, and depression, you are closing yourself out to new beginnings. What you need to do is not hold on to this any longer and cut these chains somehow. And human mind is very powerful, Capricorn. You can snap out of this whenever you want. Just make up your mind. The Spirit, can I have a card for the devil? Yes, Spirit says yes. The minute you will, be strong enough to snap out of it, Capricorn, here's your new beginning. Right? We're waiting to hand you this fiery, passionate wand in your hand for new beginnings. But you have to release the devil energy first. You're very stuck in this sorrow and regret and anger energy of things, how, your money didn't work out or your business fell through or you got laid off a job. So all these regrets, you just forget about it. Lock it up in a box and throw it away. Okay, think of what you're going to do now. And universe is saying the minute, Capricorn, we are watching you, we're keeping a close watch on you. The minute you're out of this energy, we are waiting here to hand you this wand, this fresh new beginning. So Spirit, what is it that Capricorn should let go of right now? The Empress in reverse. See, again the same thing. Capricorn, Empress is a card of growth, of abundance, of joy, of happiness, of everything good that there is in this world, okay, in the 3D world. So Spirit is saying, you are not accepting anything. You have to let go of this feeling that I can't get any new offers, I can't be on the receiving end of anything new. That is why nothing new is ever going to grow for me, Capricorn. Spirit is saying, please let go of that. These cards are in your letting go position, right? Just like this card was on you, in what is it that you're holding on to? You're holding on to the devil, but Spirit is saying, please let go of this feeling that there can't be any abundance. Try bringing some positive energy into your life by, being first affirmative in your own thoughts. The minute you start to feel nothing is going to happen, Capricorn, guess what? Nothing will, right? So right now, Spirit is saying, let go of feeling like this. Stop feeling that nothing new can ever come for me. Because Spirit world is saying that we are waiting. We're just waiting for you to change your mind. The minute you are over this devil energy, we are going to hand this to you. Let's see your biggest hurdle, Capricorn. Your biggest hurdle, Capricorn, is the Nine of Swords in reverse. Coming out of worry. Right? This is a person who is, having sleepless nights, not being able to sleep at night, having nightmares. And Spirit is saying, if you do not release this, Capricorn, it's going to become a hurdle in your life. Hurdle in attracting good fortune into your life. The longer you're going to stay here, again, it's the same message over and over again, right? If you are going to sit up all night and worry, that's a devil energy. The devil has taken over to say, yes, Capricorn, you're no good. Nothing is going to happen. So Capricorn, Spirit is saying, please, this is going to become a hurdle towards getting this. This is what we want for you. We want you to have your wish fulfillment, all the happiness, all the abundance for you and your family. But if you are going to stay in this zone, we can't bring that to you. Let's see, Capricorn. Well, how do people see you now? People see you as the Eight of Wands in reverse, which means you're not even communicating to your close people. You're not letting them know how you're feeling. You're not having any conversation. Everybody here thinks that maybe you have something new going on which you're not telling them about. They suspect that, oh, maybe Capricorn is not talking to us. They don't know that you're sad and depressed, right? Because you're not sharing any news. You're not telling them anything. Plus, maybe some of the people who do know you, they are feeling, oh, Capricorn is going through a bad time. They're not having any forward movement, and they're having no fresh beginning right now, and they're feeling kind of sorry for you. And we don't want that, do we, Capricorn? Do we want anybody to gossip about us like this? People think that you've lost your faith in spirituality. They think you're no longer ready to pray or listen to any guidance, or that's how people see you. Maybe deep in your heart, I'm sure you are forever praying and for a new beginning or something to rectify in your life. But this is how people see you, that you're no longer interested in any fresh beginning. You are no longer you've lost hope, basically. What is the spirit? What is God? What is universe? They're just love, light and hope, right? And if you've lost your hope, that means you've lost hope in spirituality, and that's how people are seeing you. Let's see what Spirit's secret message is for you, Capricorn. But please, I don't believe that, Capricorn. If you're here today listening to this reading, that means you have full faith in the universe. And so do they. They are just waiting, Capricorn. They're waiting. They're waiting for you to say it out loud, and they are going to give you everything back again, whatever you wish for. Sometimes we feel God is punishing us. No. We punish ourselves with our own thoughts. We block our karma, we block our energy flow towards us. It happens with love, happens with money, abundance, everything. These are two things that we are not subject, to anything else but ourselves. Even money, love. Love also, you need the other person to be on the same page. But money is something you can totally do yourself. So please change your mode, everything, Capricorn. Get out of this depressive energy, and by next month I need a message from you guys to say, yes, we tried it and it worked. I promise you it will. Let's see what's in your secret message from the universe. 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, so why is 10 of Pentacles? Yes. Spirit is saying the reason why you're having so much of bad luck in finances, Capricorn, is because you're not now making any forward movement. Same thing. You've stopped. This is the position where you should be. To look ahead with that wand of yours, the wand that is so powerful. You have to look. King of Wands is a go-getter. Never gives up. But because you are in this place right now, Capricorn, you're not being able to attract everything that the spirit world has for you. They have the 10 of Pentacles waiting for you, but right now it's in reverse because of this. Because of you feeling that you are not ever going to get it, and you're not making any move, even energetically. There are certain times, we feel circumstances are not allowing you to make any moves forward, but energy you can change, right? The minute whatever you focus is going to happen. So start focusing on brand new beginnings. Spirit is saying, because you're not making any forward, any energetic forward thoughts in your that's why things are not working. Now they want you to stop juggling. They want you to stop going back and forth. It's not going to work. It's never going to work. Is it going to work? They're saying we need you to make a firm decision first in your mind. Drop these balls of will it not. The minute you make up your mind, Capricorn, it's going to start. Miracles are going to start happening for you. One more card, Spirit, as a secret advice to Capricorn. Yeah. Oh, wow. Wheel of Fortune. The minute you do that, this is such a fantastic card to get as spirit advice. The Wheel of Fortune will start rolling again, Capricorn. Right? This is Spirit's secret advice to you. The minute you make this decision, stop juggling, stop going back and forth. Make an effort. Wheel of Fortune in your favor. Very nice. So, yeah, you're going to have a rebirth very soon. Your whole life is going to change once you do that. Let's take an angel blessing card as well and see how my angels are going to bless my Capricornians. That is a beautiful reading for you, Capricorn. I'm happy for you. It's just self-inflicted here. And see, if the good part is if it's self-inflicted, you can change it right now. Angels, please give Capricorn a blessing for their money and finance and work. You pray, Capricorn. You don't give up on your spirituality because the spirit world is listening to each and every word you say. So if you're going to have negative thoughts, they're listening to that. If you're going to say positive things, they're listening to that as well. Each and every prayer, each and every thought of yours is being heard. So be very mindful, Capricorn, as to what you're putting out in this world. If something has happened in the past, forgive. Okay, just let it go. If something didn't work out in the past, forgive that and forgive yourself if you feel you played a part in whatever loss you've experienced. Spirit world is saying, here's the angel carrying you on your back, on their back. And they're saying, yes, there is, a little path, but you won't even feel this transition because if you trust us, we're going to carry you on our back from that phase of your life to a brand new, abundant phase of your life. It's going to be a very, very safe journey for you. Trust the universe has you lifted like a baby and is going to take you smoothly from these troubled times to much, much happier times. Keep that faith. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Capricorn. I hope that worked for you. Love and light. Take care and namaste, and see you soon next week.